So today, we are bringing back the Beast on AF Garage. Okay, I'm joking. Kind of the Beast, not really. It's a thing. It's been sitting for a year. I unveiled it and then pulled it off the road because of COVID, and I didn't have a way of, well, throwing parts at this thing. So I just pulled it off since I had a different mode of transportation. So, we're bringing it back. And we're going to start by washing it. And then, fairly soon, from the summer, I have parts to throw at this thing to bring it back on the road, and then hopefully to start doing things with it. Since it's not my daily driver, I can actually start making it faster or better. Probably just faster, not necessarily better. Yes. So I'm gonna wash it with a hose, some, I don't know, soap and water. And then I'll show you guys the after, whatever happens. So yeah, here we go. It's bad. It's really bad. It's been sitting for a year. This particular spot, it happens to get quite mildewy. It's bad. There's noisy people behind me. Cool. So yeah, I want to bring it back. I want to drive this thing again. So yeah, here we go. Alright, got it all soaked up with my budget homemade. Maybe I'll have to show you guys that sometime. Homemade foam cannon thing, low pressure foam cannon. But we got her all soaked up, and time to scrub. I know you're not supposed to scrub with a sponge, but the paint on the thing is, well, atrocious already. So I'm gonna scrub with a sponge. Sadly, I can't do time lapse because I don't have the tripod with me, but I'll show you half and half before after. Sound good? Holy cow, look at the difference here. Yeah, it's not the straightest of lines, but you can see, clean, not so clean. I mean, why did I ever let it get to this point in the first place? Yeah, well, sometimes you're not proud of things that you do, and that was not one of them. Although, yeah, the paint on this thing's not great. Not great at all, but oh man, this thing looks amazing. Oh, well, I gotta fix things on this thing, and it's gonna cost a lot of money, but I now love it again. Straight up love it. I could never love this thing anymore. So, finish up the hood. I'll show you the complete after, and yeah. I hope you guys are stoked as I am for this project. I know I haven't posted any photos of it or any videos of it or anything whatsoever. But I want to do this project right. And right at the moment, I'm feeling better. But before, I didn't feel like I could do it justice to what my grand plan was. I'm hoping I can start doing that as the wind bothers me. Yeah, hopefully great things come from the summer, but we'll see. I don't know, I gotta edit these things. I have a problem with that. Maybe I'll ask a friend to help edit. But this is the start. Good things. Think good thoughts, people. I'll finish this up and I'll just show you the front end. I'm not gonna bother with the rest of the car, I'm just gonna clean the front end right now. But yeah, I'll finish up and show you guys how good this is. I have to keep doing that because it looks too damn good like that. And well, you know, if it looks too good, gotta do it. But yeah, this has got me hyped. This fender is messed up no matter what. It feels like a shower floor, the tub. It has that texture all of it. Someone tried painting this car. I know who. The previous owner tried painting this car. Before I got it, I was given by this line, which is not dirt. Well, some of it is, but the line is actually there in paint, and that was his doing. So this is the start. I'm doing it. We are starting the revamp, as I want to call it, restoration sort of. I want this thing looking nice. It's gonna cost a lot of money to do it. But I know somewhere out there are guys that like the Mark III Supra and want to see these stay alive and stay nice. And well, this is the channel that, well, I'm going to be keeping this thing as nice and as long as I will ever can. If I have to live out of it, I would live out of it. It's the car that I've always wanted, and I have. So let's do this. I don't know why I always do that. But yeah, here we go. It's the start of something good. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good one. And we'll see you next time.